Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you another transformation of this mudroom. Now I call it a mudroom, but it's really more of a rabbit barn, and it gets really gross really fast. So I seem to do these videos once or even twice a year, and it's time. I mean, look at this mudroom. It is disgusting. I need to tackle this, and I'm bringing you guys along. So you know it's dirty when you use a broom to clean the top of the counters. The amount of spider webs and fur and things on the walls is disgusting. So I am once again trying to sweep the walls to clean this place up. So the bunnies need more fresh air in this room, especially if it gets warmer, so I decided I would take the plastic off and open up this window, since one of the other windows that I used to open can't be opened anymore because there is a shelf in front of the window now. Tell me that it gets worse before it gets better, because whew, it's looking pretty bad around here. Alright, it is time to tackle this shelf, at least have an organized space in the mudroom, and maybe have it be more functional. Alright, so this area is done. I've got like medicine / cleaning supplies in there, water bottle tops. This is an egg carton where I'm collecting eggs for hens to sit on. I've got all of my wire type things in here. Nail clippers and hairbrushes, that sort of thing in there. Extra food and water bowls. Anything metal, so like your nesting boxes and hay things and food dishes in there. Some more hay stuff down there, extra containers. And kind of random down there, but bigger, bulkier items. So this corner is looking good. So it is a few days later, and I am back at it. This shelf is definitely next on the list. It is so bad. So realistically, with small children, I can't do this project in one go. The only problem is when you break it up into multiple days, is that the floor gets dirty every time, so you need to re-sweep every single time I start on this project again. So that's definitely taking up a huge chunk of time every day that I work on this project. So I've always swept the mudroom and then swept off these steps, but I've never really tried to clean up any further than that because it really just looks like it's all dirt. So why would I try? I mean, it's not like you can clean dirt, right? But I decided that I would try and just shovel some of this off and see what was underneath. And there's actually more cement there than I thought. So I'm really happy to have this looking a little better, and hopefully it will help with the mess coming into the house. Alright, so I realized to you this maybe doesn't look beautiful, but I have never seen it this clean. I didn't even know that there was more than one cement piece here, because it's always been so covered in mud and manure and dirt. So I'm hoping that this will help just track in a little less dirt in the house. And I cleaned off this mat, and the other mat I've got out. Just gonna clean that off and then throw that back in. The floor is looking good. This is awesome. Alright, so maybe it doesn't look the cleanest to you, but this is like barbecue stuff here. I do need to dust that off. And this here is all like rabbit toys and that sort of thing. Down below, I've got all of the boots, and then I've got some of my rabbit supplies in front. Just food here, shavings, and straw. So, definitely better than it was. Up here, I've got garden seeds, that kind of thing. I've got my gardening gloves. Here I have, attachments for the hose and some other garden supplies. This is all tools, mostly kind of odds and ends, really. And I have some candle supplies and some things for putting produce in. So it's mostly gardening and then some sort of, tools type related stuff. Well, this is the end of the video. I'm sorry I don't have a super grand reveal for you. The truth is that I videoed this, I would do parts of it. So every time I do a little part, I kind of showed you how it looked. But by the time I actually finished the whole thing, it's not that clean anymore to show you. I know. This is real life, okay? I'm keeping it real here. We're not pretending anything. So, yeah, there's no grand reveal. It just is what it is. But I hope it inspired you to at least clean. Even if it gets messy again, it's still worth doing. It's more organized than it was. Yeah, so if you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!